Do you find yourself constantly battling back pain? A back stretcher can help you say goodbye to back pain forever. This simple tool can change your life and free you from the chains of back pain. Whether you're an office worker who spends hours sitting in a chair, an athlete who puts stress on your back, or just someone looking to improve your overall health, a back stretcher is the perfect. Imagine stretching your back muscles in your home without visiting a chiropractor or masseuse. We've prepared a list of top quality back stretchers from 2023 to help you bid farewell to back pain. Number 1. NEOATHLETE Back Stretcher. The NEOATHLETE Spine Deck Back Stretcher is an efficient device for relieving lower back pain and improving posture. This product comes with 3 components: a comfortable foam cushion for the spine, an upgraded silicone cushion to massage the spine, and a belt strap to attach the back stretcher to an office chair for lumbar support. It is incredibly portable and allows users to pack it easily in their backpacks when traveling. Even better, this back stretcher comes in 2 material types, plastic and memory foam. It also has acupuncture effects that allow users to relieve chronic back pain by loosening tight muscles and stimulating circulation. Due to its 3-level adjustable heights, users can benefit from the product regardless of their experience level. On the flat side, this spine board offers 96 massage points which comfortably soothe sore muscles and improve overall posture. This device supports up to 220 pounds, making it a reliable and sturdy product. Number 2. Magic Back Support Back Stretcher. The Magic Back Support Back Stretcher is an innovative product that reduces muscle pain and stress. Its premium quality ABS makes it lightweight yet sturdy. This versatile self-massager is perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Whether unwinding at home, sitting at your office desk, hitting the gym, driving in your car, or practicing yoga, this device is designed to soothe and comfort you. Its bold colors and 2 distinct styles make it a fantastic present for loved ones. Even better, you can now say goodbye to chronic back pain and hello to stress-free relaxation with its multi-level lumbar support stretcher, spinal and back massagers, and a shoulder massager for bed. This device relieves those suffering from a herniated disc, sciatica nerve, spinal stenosis, and poor posture. And the best part? You can enjoy adequate pressure with your body weight without worrying about batteries or power. Its lightweight size makes it easy to store and is perfect for people of all ages. Number 3. Moocoo Back Stretcher. The Moocoo Back Stretcher is an innovative device that relieves lower back pain, herniated discs, sciatica, and scoliosis. Its upgraded design features 10 magnets and plastic points for a deep pressing massage effect on acupressure points. It targets the tension in your lower back and lumbar and helps relieve any chronic pain you might be experiencing. The device also features an upgraded silicone pad that reduces pressure on the spine while stretching and massaging. The back stretcher also features a multi-level adjustment design that allows you to choose your desired stretch intensity. Your stretch will intensify as you progress through each level, providing optimal pain relief to your lumbar, back, and sciatic nerve. Even better, the back stretcher's design stimulates and restores the natural alignment of your spine, providing effective relief to chronic pain in the lumbar, back, and sciatic nerves. Number 4. Chirp Back Stretcher. The Chirp Back Stretcher is a revolutionary device designed to help you achieve targeted muscle massage and deep stretches in a fraction of the time. Its construction features durable, skid-resistant 1/2 inches thick sweat-resistant foam padding and a soft EVA compression-sensitive mat to provide a comfortable experience. The sturdy PVC-free ABS plastic core can withstand up to 500 pounds. The back stretcher is expertly crafted to fit perfectly between shoulder blades and delivers a comfortable massage along both sides of your spine for maximum relief. The roller wheel targets critical pressure points and compresses the muscles surrounding the spine so they can be effectively stretched and released. The back stretcher is easy to use, needing only 5 minutes of their day. With this back stretcher, you can now enjoy a soothing massage from your home. Number 5. Acumobility Back Stretcher. The Acumobility Back Stretcher is the perfect solution for anyone looking to ease chronic back pain and increase flexibility. This back stretching device is made from high-quality EVA foam and plastic to provide maximum support for any body type. With a patented bump pattern and spine gap in the center, no pressure is placed on the spine as you use the roller. The yoga wheel has a therapeutic effect on the entire back, from the neck down. The comprehensive device can hold up to 1,000 pounds, making it suitable for any user. The 4 rows of bumps target the muscles along each side of the spine and are also great for chest and leg workouts. For anyone looking to improve their health or get relief from their chronic aches and pains, this roller is sure to please.